That I love most about my culture has to be food. Like, I love how versatile the food is. You can never get tired of it. It never dies. And everything's just so juicy and just so good and so rich. And I have to say, I love the food. Like, most cultures don't have the ability to have so many different types of food. But I mean, within the Igbo culture, you can't get tired. There's no way to get bored. It's so creative. There's so many ways you can turn. So, and I'm a big food guy to eat all the time. So that is what I love most about my culture. I'm gonna go, and my Igbo is beautiful.